All right, hello everyone. Today I am showing you what our week of May 4th to May 8th learning document looks like. So, as we had last week, we have the same letter just opening up. If you picked up a paper packet, you can work on the paper packet, and where those links are online, you don't have to do them online. So if you picked up the paper packet, you still need to follow through the learning document and go on the different apps and the different sites and do the other instruction, but you don't need to go on to Seesaw and do the foundations or the math worksheets because you have the paper version of them. So we expect that students will be on iReady math and reading for at least 45 minutes during the week. The writing can be done in the Google Classroom or written on paper and uploaded to the Class Dojo portfolio or just sent in a message or an email. New this week, we are having a parent office hour. So tomorrow at 12:30, if parents only, parents, guardians, wants to join in on the Zoom, join in at 12:30. Same link. So be there at 12:30 to go over the learning document and ask any questions that you may have. And then students can hop on at 1 o'clock as usual. Tuesday, we are breaking up into small groups. So you need to look and see what time your child's small group is, and you just click on the link with their name. Wednesday this week will be at 11:30, Thursday and Friday at 9:30. Okay, so here is what the doc looks like, same as last week. For foundations using Seesaw, the link to the video is here, and then these are the practices on Seesaw. For reading, iReady for 15 minutes on Monday. Tuesday, go into the Epic account, read a book that has been assigned. Wednesday, iReady. Thursday, same thing on Epic, and Friday is on iReady. So if Monday is here, you just want to look down and follow all of the prompts for on Monday. So foundations, reading is to go on iReady. The writing is for the whole week. So here are 3 different writing prompts, and we want everybody to choose 2 writing prompts. Each of them has a video that goes with it. So if you want to watch the video, Top 10 Reasons Dogs Are Better Than Cats, and Top 10 Reasons Cats Are Better Than Cats, cats are better, that should say cats are better than dogs. You're going to do that, and then you can write an opinion essay on what makes a better cat, a cat or a dog. Okay, there's examples for each of these different writings. You're supposed to be picking 2, and 2 of those writings need to be completed for the week. And then for math, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is to go on iReady for at least 15 minutes. Thursday and Friday is to work on Seesaw, work on the worksheets for subtraction, and then there are some word problems. So to help everyone keep control and keep up with the learning, to help the kids be independent, we have our class Zoom expectations right on here. And then we also made this checklist. This is for kids to print out, or for kids just to be mindful in their Google Classroom. They can go through and actually check these off. So the checklist to keep track of the daily work. So on Monday, did you watch the Unit 11 video? If you did, great, check it off. Did you go on iReady reading for 15 minutes? Great, check it off. For writing, choose your first writing piece. Watch the video. Start your draft. And then iReady math. Tuesday, you have your small group Zooms for foundations. You're supposed to go on Epic. Continue your writing piece from Monday and check for capitals and punctuation. Editing, just like we always do in school. And then iReady. Wednesday, same thing, but you can start your second writing piece. Watch the video for it, start your draft. Thursday, continue to work on that writing piece. Check for capitals, punctuation. Friday, same things are still happening. Reread both of your writing pieces, tell more, add more. Boys and girls, your writing during the year has been absolutely amazing. So make sure that you are still putting in that same effort, even though you're at home. Edit both pieces and then turn them in on Google Classroom or send pictures. Okay, so this is just to help try and get the kids to be focused a little bit more and so that they can be in charge of their own learning. In Google Classroom, all kids should know how to log on to Google Classroom. On the stream will be the learning document. So that the children can go right into their Google Classroom and they can then go and look at the document. We're going to add that now. Also here in classwork, we have the 3 writing prompts. You're supposed to choose 2 if you want to do it online and you want to type it. Those will be available starting tomorrow. And then also is the resources for the writing prompts, okay? So if you click on that tab, that will all be available tomorrow. So there are multiple places where the writing prompts and videos will be, as long as you can get into the Google Classroom and have the learning document available. Okay, so parents, 12:30 tomorrow if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, and then we will see the kids at 1. Okay, hope everybody has a great rest of their Sunday.